Lock and unlock your door, grant keyless access and keep track of who comes and goes, all from the August app. Keep your existing lock and keys. Simply attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Install in under 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Grant family, friends, or the dog walker unlimited access or limit it to a few weeks, hours, or minutes. Only August has Door Sense, a sensor that tells you if your door is securely closed or left opened. Unlocks automatically as you arrive. Never fumble for keys, shopping, bags, or kids when unlocking the door again. Auto lock can be timed to lock as the door closes. Add an August Wi-Fi Connect bridge, sold separately, for remote access or Alexa integrations. Add an August Smart Keypad for secure key code entry to your lock. Sold separately.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,